As we all know that we buy cars, there's a lot of cars, and that means you get a variety of options, but people will always end up at the problem section. By problem I mean this. Yes, the BMW E90 section. So in today's video, I'll be showing you and telling you why you should not buy a high mileage BMW. And if you like more car content, please do make sure to check out our videos right here and hopefully find what you like. If you do not find what you like, comment down below what you wanna see and hopefully I'll help you with that. So guys, welcome to another video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and let's get into it. If you ever find yourself looking at this, just go to macro or game and buy yourself a double door fridge, unless, and I repeat, unless you are Muzi Sambo, because we all know that guy is an expert when it comes to high mileage German machines. Let's look at this 2006 BMW 3 Series 323i E90, a 19-year-old car by the making of this video. I'll get to the pricing later, just know it's under 50,000 rands. Yeah, I know someone out there is already saying, a BMW under 50,000 rands. I'm going to buy one. Hopefully by the end of this video, I would have changed your mind. So let's watch. With 204,000 kilometers on the clock, I can safely say this car is tired of life. Like tired, you know. You get it? Okay, the DEKRA report highlights that this car has some roadworthy relevant issues, which are the airbag warning light illuminated, both bonnet shocks are weak, the vehicle misfiring, windscreen is cracked, the front right shock absorber is leaking, the rear left shock absorber has excessive wear, AMPT, and those are some of the things that you have to fix. Already money is going out of your pocket before you even buy the car. You just know. Okay, this vehicle was going for 53,900. They saw that nobody was buying this car and they dropped the price to 47,900, and a week later, boom, it's gone, just like that. Whoever bought this car, I'm sure they left with buy car saying, yes, I own a Beamer now. Hey, I hope that ended well. Okay, let's look at the bright side. This car you're looking at produces 130 kilowatts, it has 6 gears and a 6-cylinder layout. The fuel type is petrol. The fuel tank capacity is 63 liters, so you do the math with the current price of petrol. The engine capacity is 2497 cc. This car comes with ABS, traction control, 6 airbags, cruise control, power steering, and the working electric windows, unlike some Polo Life. You can go from 0 to 100 in just 7.9 seconds with a top speed of 229 kilometers per hour. It's a manual with a 460 liters boot capacity. Hey yo guys, if you ever like this video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It motivates me to keep on sharing more content like this. We're on a road to 5,000 subscribers, so shout out to you. And if you wanna support this channel for more quality content and you don't know how, just hit this thanks button right here and all is well. So guys, also consider buying a Toyota, it's reliable. Oh yeah, let's get back to the Beamer. I do know someone who owns a 2012 BMW E90, and that person has not have any problems with the car. They've been owning it for about 5 or 6 years right now, and it's still cruising, it's going. And one thing I can tell you about this car, guys, it moves. So shout out to this lady for letting me drive her car for this short video. Guys, if you are lucky, you will find a good car. If you are not lucky, you will find a bad car. Because most people sell their cars because they don't have money or they want to buy a new car. Some people sell the car because it has problems and it gives them a headache, a nightmare, so they get rid of the car. And then there's you with your 50,000 saying, oh no, I found a good car, I found a BMW. Candy next, you're buying problems and inviting problems to your whole life. As for the interior, it still looks good, it's fresh, those leather seats. It's a manual transmission car, I hope I told you that. And yeah, this is the interior. Let's have a look. They stopped making these cars for a reason. These cars have expensive repairs and maintenance. These vehicles are known for electrical issues, transmission problems, suspension and steering wear, expensive part and depreciation, as you all know that. When you see this car, I know it tempts you to like, oh yes, I want this car. This car is beautiful, just like my friend over there. I'm not saying I know him, I don't know him, but yeah, you know how it is. So if you ever think of buying this car, do not buy, guys. No go area, unless if you're strong, you know what you're doing. But you might be lucky and you might find a good car. Who knows? If you do decide to buy a high mileage BMW E90, it's crucial to get a pre-purchase inspection by a mechanic familiar with BMWs, because the dealerships do not give you an accurate car report. There will be something missing. So for your own safety, after purchasing the car, go with it to a mechanic or somewhere where they fix cars, so that they check the car and tell you what is wrong with the car, and you know what you need to do after that. And the car you're looking at right now is 1 year younger than the previous one. Is a 2007 BMW 3 Series 323i Auto. This vehicle has 164,400 kilometers and it is only going for 61,900. Just 1 year younger. 1 year separates these two vehicles, and this one is more expensive. Maybe it has less damages. Let me show you the damages and what it has, and yeah. Hey you guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.